When a project in Affinity starts to change fast, a small safety net can calm the whole process. Snapshots give that safety net, and the feature turns into a simple way to freeze a moment in your document so you can return to it without stress. The software treats each snapshot like a checkpoint that marks the exact state of your work at the time. As your document sits open, the steps stay easy. Your cursor moves to the top menu, then to Document, and the Add Snapshot option waits here. A window appears with a suggested name based on the date and time. Many users keep the default name because it already tells the full story of when the moment was saved. Once the snapshot is added, your project continues without any interruption. Sooner or later, a design takes a strange turn, a shape bends the wrong way, or a color breaks the mood. The shape may feel small at first, then it grows until the document feels different from what you hope for. That is the moment when the saved checkpoint matters. Your cursor returns to document, then to restore snapshot. The list shows every snapshot tied to the file, including the one taken before the mistake happened. One click brings the document back to the early state as if the mistake never happened. The feature becomes even more useful when the project closes. Other programs clear their snapshots as soon as the software shuts down, which forces users to create multiple versions of the same file. Affinity keeps the snapshot inside the document, so they stay ready when the file opens again on another day. This creates a calmer workflow because one project holds every checkpoint instead of scattering them across different saves. A good habit forms over time. Each time a major change appears, another snapshot waits only a few seconds away. You may start with one, then build a small timeline of progress inside the same file. Each checkpoint saves a stage of the design, and each stage becomes a safe place to return to without fear of losing the best version. When you know how to use snapshots in Affinity, your document feels more flexible. You move forward with confidence because every step has a backup waiting in the same project. The software gives you the chance to explore bold ideas while your early work stays protected.